Senior Vice President and Executive Director, Pacific, Ms. Tammy Tam. I'm so formal with you, Tammy. I should just say Tammy. The General Manager, Mr. Marco Saxa, the CEO, Singatoka and Nandi Town Council, Mr. Craig Powell, distinguished guests. I see Fantasha here, Fantasha Lockington, and Dick, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Bolivanaka, and a very good afternoon to all of you. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, Tammy, to be part of this event today. I'm very happy to see many tourism experts and professionals and distinguished hospitality industry representatives actually present here today. Ladies and gentlemen, COVID-19 has forced us to change. It's forced us to change our way of life and how we actually do things, and how we work, and how we actually even greet each other. And all of this has completely changed. I understand this is a very, very difficult time, and many businesses and Fijians associated with the tourism industry are suffering. But even during this difficult time, we see hope through those who have still labored on. And using this particular time, working with the Fijian government, working with each other to come up with creative ways in terms of doing business. This pandemic, ladies and gentlemen, has actually taught us a lot. It has actually taught us how to be self-sufficient. It has taught us empathy. Most importantly, it has taught us resilience through solidarity, which is why we are all here today, to celebrate the reopening of the Warwick Fiji Resort. Warwick's participation in our Love Our Locals campaign through this reopening will re-employ close to about 50 employees, and this will certainly increase once the borders are actually open, which we're all hoping will be very, very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, going local is undoubtedly one of the most effective and strongest strategies to actually deploy, and not just in the wake of the pandemic, but in the future. Whether it's your employees, your management, or your customers, supporting locals is extremely important. Earlier this year, we actually launched our Love Our Locals campaign to build consumer confidence and ignite economic activity in the tourism industry. And so I want to thank the Warwick Fiji for using this platform as a stepping stone to reopen once again and to introduce guests to new experiences under this particular campaign. I'm told that the Naviti and the Tokotoka resorts have been operating since July under the Love Our Locals program and campaign, whilst Tambo Sands will remain closed until the international borders open. I want to express my appreciation to the Warwick Fiji for re-employing staff for a second time. Whilst employment numbers have reduced, I'm told this close-knit team has been in continual exchange with each other and simply displaying the bond that the Warwick Fiji, in terms of its Fiji family, is unbreakable. Ladies and gentlemen, as earlier stated, Fiji is our nation state, and we need for you to rebuild our actual footing much stronger. I assure you that government will continue to support the tourism industry as best we can. It is therefore our duty to collectively encourage our people to progress and to ensure continuous delivery of safe and quality services, and that actually remains of the highest priority. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to officially declare the Warwick Fiji reopen right now to the local market, but later on, as soon as possible, to the international market. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day, all of you. Thank you.